Endurance doors comprise of an inner core of Kerto Q. Kerto Q has unrivaled strength and stability, which is required to make our composite door. Endurance doors have this solid slab of Kerto Q. It means that no matter what size we manufacture the doors to, it maintains its strength and stability. Again, with the Kerto Q, we can cut out apertures for glazing anywhere within the door and still maintain the strength. Endurance doors have a solid Kerto core. It passes all the latest security tests and it's far superior to other composite doors on the market, which tend to be foam filled. Our solid core is unique. It makes the doors feel very robust, strong, and it feels solid when you're closing and shutting the door, which the consumers like.